When it comes to improving both comfort and functionality, choosing the right window style makes a big difference, especially in a coastal area like Palmetto Bay. With its warm temperatures, humidity, and frequent rain, homeowners need windows that can handle the environment while enhancing everyday living. Awning windows have become a popular choice for this reason, offering a unique combination of performance, convenience, and style. One of the top benefits of awning windows is their ability to provide ventilation even during rainy weather. Hinged at the top and opening outward from the bottom, these windows create a protective angle that helps keep rain out while still allowing fresh air in. In Palmetto Bay, where sudden rain showers are common, this design makes it possible to maintain airflow without worrying about water entering your home. Improved ventilation is another major advantage. Awning windows allow for consistent air circulation, helping reduce indoor humidity and prevent stale air buildup. In a warm and humid climate, proper airflow is essential for maintaining a comfortable living environment. Whether placed in kitchens, bathrooms, or living areas, these windows help keep your home feeling fresh and breathable. Energy efficiency is also a key benefit. When closed, awning windows form a tight seal against the frame, minimizing air leaks. This helps keep cool air inside and hot air outside, which is especially important in Palmetto Bay's climate. By reducing heat transfer, these windows support your HVAC system and can help lower energy costs over time. Durability is another reason homeowners choose awning windows. Built with materials such as vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, they are designed to withstand exposure to moisture, heat, and salt air. This makes them well suited for coastal environments, where weather conditions can be more demanding. Their resistance to warping, corrosion, and wear ensures long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Awning windows are also highly versatile in terms of placement. They can be installed higher on walls to allow for ventilation while maintaining privacy, making them ideal for bathrooms or bedrooms. They also pair well with larger fixed windows, such as picture windows, to create a combination of natural light and airflow. This flexibility allows homeowners to customize their window layout based on both design and function. Ease of operation adds to their appeal. Awning windows are typically operated with a simple crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close. This is especially helpful in hard-to-reach areas or for homeowners who prefer a more convenient way to control ventilation. Another benefit is enhanced protection against the elements. When closed, awning windows provide a secure barrier that helps keep out wind, rain, and debris. Their tight seal also reduces drafts, contributing to a more stable indoor temperature and improved comfort throughout the year. Noise reduction is an added advantage that many homeowners appreciate. The snug fit and multi-pane glass options help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. In areas with traffic or neighborhood activity, this feature can make your home feel more peaceful and relaxing. Aesthetic appeal is another factor to consider. Awning windows offer a clean, modern look that complements a variety of architectural styles found in Palmetto Bay. Their compact design and sleek lines add a subtle yet stylish touch to both the interior and exterior of your home. Low maintenance is another benefit that makes awning windows a practical choice. Their durable materials and simple design mean they require minimal upkeep. Regular cleaning and occasional checks of the hardware are usually enough to keep them in excellent condition. Finally, proper installation ensures you get the most out of these benefits. Professionally installed awning windows provide a secure fit, effective sealing, and smooth operation, maximizing their performance in all weather conditions. In the end, installing awning windows in Palmetto Bay properties offers a wide range of advantages. From improved ventilation and energy efficiency to durability and weather resistance, these windows are designed to meet the needs of coastal living. For homeowners looking to enhance comfort, functionality, and style, awning windows are a smart and reliable upgrade.